Avtec EcoAzur Return on Investment Calculator, a handy step-by-step guide to show you the money you can save when utilizing Avtec's energy management system. Step 1. Enter operational details. Select your hood type. We're going to use medium duty. This assumes a 250 CFM per foot average across the length of the hood. Hood length, for our example, we use 35 feet. Operating the hood 12 hours a day, serving lunch and dinner. Annual days of operation, we will use 360. Number of hours at idle, we will use 8. Typically, between 2/3 and 75% of the time the hood is operating, you're not actively cooking or cooking at full speed. This takes into account the time in the morning for prep work, as well as time in the evening for the equipment cool-off. Run your calculation. Finally, click here to calculate your savings. Utilizing the Avtec EcoAzur Return on Investment Calculator, we can see that we save nearly $3,500 a year in energy costs simply by installing the system.